That scene where how much for that car? Can't afford it. I think I am missing this piece. So this one goes here, yeah. And this one levels it. I am missing a piece to add to this layer. Missing this extra piece right here. Nope, nope, those are one by ones. You know, before I would say it has to be there, but now I just don't. I'm checking the bag. I don't remember any other piece flying off. There's nothing under the receipts. Nothing by the key. Oop. Nope, not that. I thought that was it. Did I end up using an extra piece somewhere? And I don't think I have that. I don't think I have a piece like that. What piece is missing? This piece right here, Luca. I mean, technically I can stack. I think I have extras of like these studs here. It's just this one, Fred. This one right here. I'm trying to see if it's somehow bounced anywhere else, but one by one, yeah. Or would you consider this a 1x2? That's what I'm trying to see. But those are stacks there. Maybe a 1x1? That's the same piece there. These are the same pieces. I mean, there's nowhere else that we would use it. May I make a suggestion, Zach? What are you gonna say? Start over. Because the only other one that I'm thinking, I knew it, is the other side, and the other side had two, and then the other side is a snap brick. Where else would we use that piece? uh, got him. I wouldn't have accent. I remember using these right here, this L-shaped bricks. And before that, there were no other places to use a red brick. I know when I opened the bag and I was sorting everything, there was a random piece, just like the one that I was missing on the corner here. And I grabbed that.